what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker here, and we are back with Beija Flor by Land Spikey. I mean, this thing is a mini beast in itself. Look at that bird he did on there. Really cool. Really cool work. I believe this is number 25. And if you look at this key, it's got a few extreme high lifts and a low lift. So this thing is going to be a little bit of a bastard to pick, and hopefully I can get it done on camera. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. Looks like a trap right there. There's a good click on 1 and 2, but once I clicked 2, it kicked 1 out. Huh. We're going to have to use a secret weapon here. Secret weapon. Come on, nobody wants to hear you licking yourself. Holy shit, dog. Especially, least of all, me. You drive me crazy, bully. There we go. And there we have it. Woo! Just a little patience and a little Bobby Keys hand holder. Man, I tell you what, that was killing my hand. This is awesome. This is an awesome seal. I am super excited to see what's inside this. How about we see what's inside this, everybody? What do you think? And of course, we are just a wee bit better prepared today than we was, well, last time. So let's get this. Move all this out of the way. All right. And we do have our shim right there. Okay, so first off, I want to see that everybody makes sure it's that. I mean, we know it's open and not open. I just like to use the key when I got these. Okay, get that spring out of there. Thank God this doesn't have a C-clamp on it, or fuck, we'd be here all goddamn day. Oh no, I just bent my long tensioner. Shit. Oh, and I didn't twist the core. Double shit. I hate creasing a good tensioner. It's just because I wasn't paying attention. I was just going along, blah, blah, blabbing. All right. Holy cow. No wonder what the problem was. Holy shit, look what he's done for sets, people. Woo! Land Spikey. There's some professional work. Look what he did to that. Oh, man, isn't that pretty? All right, so let's get these out here. I'm excited. I'm excited just by looking at that core. Nasty. Wonder why it was such a bitch. Okay, so we are going to start at pin 1. Go pin 2. Holy cow. So these were like that. Oh, come on. What in the hell am I doing? Keep in towards the bottom. Keep in towards the bottom. Keep in towards the bottom. Duh. Man, beautiful torpedoes, beautiful serrates. Look at this. He's got some counter milling and 1. He champed the core on, or champed the cylinder on 2 cylinder plug hole. Did nothing to 3. He threaded 4 and 5. Plus, he went out on both sides to create the falset. Same thing with 1, and then left 6 clean. That's very, very, very awesome work. Professional right there. That is what I would call professional. So, let's see what he's got for pin 1. Oh, goodness. Holy goodness. Pin 2. I can't believe I picked this lock. This is really good work, Land Spikey. I am in awe. Holy cow, that one's perfectly round. I like this pin. That's beautiful. I wonder why shit kept dropping. Holy cow, people. Holy cow. I can't tell. Let's stick a pick. No. Clean Bible work. Okay, but you don't even need nothing to the Bible. Let's get a good zoom in on these. Look at that pen work, people. Phenomenal Land Spikey. Man, the core, the pen, there's just so much. I don't even know where to start. I tell you what, this has been one of my favorites for pin work and core mods. Really clean, really professional. For your 25th CL, man, you had it down. This is really awesome. Hey, everybody, if you enjoyed this pick, if you enjoyed looking at the pins and the CL work, make sure you hit a like. If you got any questions or comments or just want to say, Land Spikey, badass work, man, give it to him because he definitely deserves it. Beija Flor was phenomenal pick. Really, really fun for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed the share as much as I enjoyed picking it and being able to gut and share it with the rest of y'all. So if you're new here and haven't subbed up, make sure you subbed up because let's face it, you don't want to miss a second of this. I mean, come on, look at this. Where else can you see stuff like this? Everywhere else, but who else does it better than Sadistic? Nobody. All right, guys. Hey, you guys go out and check out Land Spikey. He's got a shop on Facebook. I believe he's always posting. And tell him Sadistic sent you. We'll throw links in the description once I find him, track him down. And you guys go over there and tell him Sadistic sent you. All right, everybody. I hope you get that hard-fought lock opened up this week and take it easy.